and I had a serious case of imposter syndrome. Just was never whatever I wrote wasn't good enough. I never showed my code to anybody. Having that ability to put myself out there and let people see it and give honest review on it was a game changer for me. Hey everyone, my name is Matt. I'm 34 years old, and if you're watching this, you're probably not sure or considering at least doing the PDM course. And I want to tell you about my time in the course, the 10 weeks I spent with Bob and Julian and my coach and everyone else. And in those 10 weeks, we did a lot of coding, obviously, and we also focused on other things like version control, Git, as well as different methodologies and just ways to better yourself and be prepared for life as a developer. And they taught me so many things I wouldn't have even considered before doing so, or maybe jumping head first in and doing interviews. But the one thing that I didn't expect to get quite as big of a change as I did was the mindset. And Julian, he teaches you to think about things differently, approach situations, and view yourself differently. And I had a serious case of imposter syndrome. Just was never whatever I wrote wasn't good enough. I never showed my code to anybody before PDM, and having that ability to put myself out there and let people see it and give honest review on it and give critical feedback was a game changer for me. After my 10 weeks, I kept coding and I kept popping in and to Slack with PDM, and I just kept doing what they taught me. And I think it was about 3 months after graduation, I had 2 job offers and accepted one with a large tech company that tripled my salary, and couldn't believe it. I could not believe it. I didn't think I did well in the interview still. I was still in this imposter syndrome. And after getting the job, I spoke with my manager, and he told me flat out that I was the most skilled developer that he interviewed, and that's what he wanted. And so without PDM, that would have never happened. If you're considering it, I can't speak highly enough of it. You guys should totally do it, and you're going to enjoy it. Just put in the effort and you'll get it back.